anybody who gets the train from Manchester Airport knows how to navigate themselves to Terminal 2. So you get to the sign where it says way out. It says platform 1. The good thing about getting a train to Manchester Airport, you're never going to miss your stop because it's the last stop. So there's a list, terminals 1, 2 and 3, so you just turn right. And your lifts are there. Squeeze through and up the escalators. Oh, here we go, they let me go. Right, you just go out of here now. And there are your exits, terminal 1, 2 and 3. So as you're walking out of the train station, just keep walking straight. Come past these escalators, lifts, sorry. Terminals 1, 2 and 3. No luggage or pushchairs allowed here. And let's go through, squeeze through. So up another set of escalators. You're going to go up 2 sets of escalators, one from the train station and one from here as well. Walk a bit. There it is, signs for Terminal 2. Terminals 1 and 3 are that way. And Terminals 2 to your left. Just turn left. And then you get your sign there for Terminal 2 and the Radisson Blu. We stayed at the Radisson Blu. There's a video on my YouTube and TikTok just giving you a review of the room and a bit of the facilities. So this is your walkway you go through. Everybody's coming back from home. What a lovely day. The weather's so nice. But I like these travel areas. It makes you feel like you're faster than you actually are. Spin you around again so you know. So get on that travelator. And then watch. Whoa! To the hotel we stayed last time, the Radisson Blu Hotel. Here, you get fish and chips in this place. We had 24 quid for fish and chips. But anyway, so you pass the Radisson and just keep on going straight to Terminal 2. When I get to Terminal 2, I'll pop it on, but just about 3 or 4 different travelators to get to where we need to get to, and you'll see Terminal 2. Right, so after them 3 or 4 travelators, we're just walking into Terminal 2 here. It looks busy. Everybody's going away. Well, it's a busy airport. There we are, Terminal 2. Manchester Airport's busy.